Welcome back, everyone. We're diving into another episode of What Is My Pet Doing and Why Is It So Funny? From sneaky snuggles to zoomy attacks, these furry troublemakers are back to steal your heart and maybe your lunch. You've been warned. Let's get it on.
Fish. That's really good.
I like the way you drink that beer.
So, like, when you take off your mask,
Yes.
do you wear an actual mask?
I don't like to. I like to leave my heart out on my sleeve.
Cute.
What's wrong with you people? I am a dog.
You have no clue, do you? You have no idea what it's like to have something inside you. Something that's damaged.
Ow!
It's like a
I
bomb.
shouldn't do it.
Find Osama bin Laden. They'll do tricks, plots, sits, shti, back, right, left, left,
That every time I cook, my daggone dogs hide. What is that about, guys? What is that?
It's time to get out. Pool time's over. Rumpus, what are you doing? Rumpus. Yeah, come on out.
That's our most viral.
Do you want some? Are you hungry?
Зашел банкомат Сбербанка. Тут такое дело. Как котейка тут спит. А тут еще питбуль. Тут еще питбуль, да? Ого.
Poppy, get down! Poppy, you've trodden on it! Get out of there!
What is this? What is it?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you're rolling. You're gonna roll off the bed, dude. And we... Oh my god. No, no. Rita, no, no, no. No.
He's looking the complete opposite direction because he sees it in the mirror.
You cannot have it. Please give it back. Let it go.
Things are so tight. Well.
Pet you. I just want to pet you. Maybe
Wanna go for a ride? Do you like cookies? Are you a hungry dog?
Do you want cheese? You want broccoli?
I don't even